Welcome to this guided tutorial on how to manually reset your WordPress site without using any plugins. In this step-by-step walkthrough, you will learn how to return your site to a fresh start within just a few minutes. The following instructions will guide you through each stage of the reset process, explaining what you need to do at each step and why these actions are important. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once you are on the WordPress site, take a moment to allow the page to fully load. You will notice that the login option is positioned at the top right corner of the page. This is the standard place to access your account, and its placement is designed to make it easily accessible when you need to sign in. When you see the login button, go ahead and click on it. After you click the login button, a sign-in interface will be presented. Rather than using a traditional username and password combination, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method is convenient because it leverages the authentication services that you already use with your Google account. Once you click on Continue with Google, you will be guided to select your preferred account from a list. Choose the account you wish to use and then proceed with the sign-in process, following any additional prompts on the screen. Once you have successfully logged in, redirect your attention to the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. Within this area, you will find a link labeled Edit Site. The Edit Site option is essential because it grants you access to the site editor that is used to make key changes to your website's layout and settings. Click on the Edit Site link to proceed to the editing interface. Now that you are in the site editor, the next action involves interacting with the right panel settings. In this interface, the right panel contains various controls and customization options that allow you to tailor the visual and functional aspects of your website. Locate the control marked as Right Panel Settings and click on it. By doing so, you expose more detailed editing options that will help you manage the website's structure. Continuing within the site editor, the next area to focus on is the blog home section. This section generally serves as the main landing area for your site's blog posts and overall content display. Start by navigating to the blog home area. When you are in the blog home view, you will notice an interface element that appears as 3 dots. These 3 dots symbolize additional options or a hidden menu that contains further actions. Click on the 3 dots to reveal the menu options tied to your site's customization. Among the options that appear in this additional menu, you will see one labeled Reset. The Reset option is what you will select in order to begin the process of reverting your site back to its original configuration. When you click on Reset, the website will prompt you to confirm your decision because resetting your site is a powerful action that clears all the customizations you have made so far. After confirming your choice, the system will proceed to reset your site, effectively returning it to a clean initial state. This concludes the tutorial on how to manually reset your WordPress site. By following these clear steps, you have learned how to log in using your Google credentials, how to navigate the WordPress interface, locate and access editing controls in the site editor, and finally execute the reset process by selecting the reset option. Enjoy the new beginning on your WordPress site as you start fresh and begin adding your content anew.